Friends, to another episode of Golden Whispers, Vikas Joshi inspires aspirations. Friends, this is a 2 to 5 minute series of daily reflections that aspire to ignite your passions, broaden your horizons, and guide you towards a life filled with a purpose. So get ready to be uplifted and motivated every day with Golden Whispers, Vikas Joshi inspires aspirations, and cultivate a journey of personal growth together. ये श्रृंखला आपके प्रेरणाओं को जगाती है और आपके उद्देश्यपूर्ण जीवन की ओर मार्गदर्शन कराती है। ये एक कोशिश है। दिस इज एन एफर्ट सो एज टू इंप्रूव ऑन योर सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, ऑन योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज फ्रेंड्स, practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness involves being fully present and engaged in the current moment with an open and non-judgmental awareness of your thoughts. Very important. Many times when you observe these things in our daily life also, हम जब आम तौर पे भी देखते हैं, जो नौकरी करने वाला आदमी, लड़का लड़की औरत जो भी होगा, वो जब वो नौकरी पे जाता है वो घर की बातें करता है, और जब घर जाता है तो नौकरी की बातें करता है. कॉमन. Isn't it very wrong? उसमें क्या हो जाता है? We are moving towards being judgmental. Now we start believing in hearsay. And that is what now these people call यही management है. No, 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 no. That is not management. If you are taking a decision on hearsay, then you are the worst of the person who is managing the team. You cannot be a good leader. Don't be judgmental. Be present in the present. देखो, पढ़ो, सुनो, take informed decisions than hearsay decisions, because hearsay decisions, they are always wrong because they are always prejudiced. Hearsay, इसने कहा, उसने कहा, कहाँ मैं देखूंगा ये सब? अरे, when you are leading a team, when you are on the higher position, you cannot take a decision based on hearsay. How can you do that? By that, not only you are losing good connections, good talent, good skills, so also your organization is at loss. So how can you be called a good leader? So practice mindfulness. Give a thought about it. अगर मुझे डिसीजन लेना है तो मुझे इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन लेना सही होगा, ना कि किसी ने कुछ कहा कि एवरेज लाइन निकाली और मैंने डिसीजन ले लिया. आजकल की वो प्रैक्टिस ही है. But that is not good management, not at all. Not only for the organization but for self also. Self development के लिए भी अच्छी चीज नहीं है. When you are taking informed decisions, now you are unbiased. Now you have proved your leadership. Not only the person who is giving you wrong feedback will be taking caution henceforth before giving you a feedback, but so also the person about whom the feedback was given, he will also appreciate you that you didn't believe in some hearsays. It is a win-win situation, friends, for self and for the organization also. It applies to your family members also. So it applies in our daily life also. विश्वास. किसी और के कहने पे अगर हमने कोई डिसीजन लिया है तो वो गलत है. Because no two people interact in the same way. The action reaction processes are different in every communication. है ना? हर आदमी एक ही तरीके से सबसे बात नहीं करता है. It depends on what the act is and how he reacts about it. And it is different in all cases. So you have to be present in the presence. Than harping on the past or thinking about future. Because you cannot forget the past, but you will ruin a perfectly good present by thinking about future. Yes, that will happen if you are not present in present. So practice mindfulness. The importance of practicing mindfulness lies in its ability to enhance mental clarity, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. See, अगर गलत डिसीजन लिया तो स्ट्रेस आने ही वाला है, क्योंकि गलत डिसीजन गलत रिजल्ट्स, अभी तो मैंने कहा, if you are believing on someone, very wrong. When you're leading a team, you cannot afford to be judgmental. No, you cannot be judgmental. You have to be practical, to be present on the present situation only. You cannot just give past examples or give us some shiny future examples. No, your future will depend on your present actions. और वही गलत है तो फ्यूचर कहां से सही होगा, वो तो गलत ही होने वाला है. So friends, practice mindfulness. That is important because in conclusion, practicing mindfulness is a powerful tool for achieving greater self-awareness and emotional stability. Once you have achieved that status, you're emotionally strong, you're controlling your emotions, you're controlling to not to become a judgmental person, which is an easy part. Not to believe on hearsay, which is again an easy part, but you believe in present and you are present in the present. That will help you to improve on yourself. Not only yourself, but so also the faith amongst the team members will be on the rise. So it will help you to stay grounded in the present, manage stress, and enhance your overall quality of life naturally. Hence, integrating mindfulness into your daily routine can lead to more fulfilling and less reactive life, promoting a deeper sense of peace and well-being. So friends, practice mindfulness. कहना सिर्फ इतना है, बाबा मैंने सुना, मैंने कहा, नहीं नहीं नहीं. Be present in the present, understand the situation, be present in the present situation, take an informed decision, don't be judgmental, don't believe in hearsay. Being judgmental or hearsay, these are the worst of the enemies of a team member or of a relationship formation. So also, you will be losing on the skills and the talents if you walk the path of being a judgmental or being a person who is believing in hearsay, isn't it? So friends, practice mindfulness. That is important. So I sign off on this note, friends, and we meet again in another episode of Golden Whispers because Joshi inspires aspirations. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy the day, friends. Enjoy the life. It is a one-time activity. Do enjoy.